Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we have a fun video, a favorite of mine. We're looking at Man I Need by Olivia Dean. This one is not too hard. We're going to look at the chords we need, some chord families to get us through the song, and then we'll look at the different patterns, the verse pattern, the pre-chorus pattern, the chorus pattern. Kind of three main ones to get us through. Let's get to it. The first chord we're going to learn in this piece is D flat major. Start on that D flat, go to F on the white key, and A flat there in the pinky, black, white, black, D flat, F, A flat. That's the key of the piece. We'll start there, probably end there, but sometimes we're gonna have what's called a D flat sus2. So instead of that third, that F there, we're gonna go down to this E flat and spell it D flat, E flat, A flat. That's our sus2, giving that just a little more spice and flair sometimes. So D flat sus2, and then D flat major. We'll be using both of those. Next chord we're going to use is a G flat major, all black keys. G flat, B flat, D flat, G flat major, G flat, B flat, D flat. Okay, so those are the only two chords we need for the intro, the verses, the chorus. It's all pretty simple. It's just this pre-chorus that's hard but short. Shortest part of the song's the hardest. So at the pre-chorus, right between the verse and chorus, already know I can't leave it alone. We'll start on a B flat minor, B flat, D flat, F. It's black, black, white, B flat, D flat, F. And the chords will move a little quicker here. We'll go to that D flat major we already know, friendly, D flat, F, A flat. We then need an A flat over C. So what does that mean? We need our A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat, but over C means the C is going to be in the bottom. So an easier way to even spell that is put that C in the bottom and get that A flat and E flat right above it as close as possible. Especially because we'll be coming from that chord before, D flat minor, and then everything, including that thumb, can just move to the C, E flat, A flat. It's called inversion, when we invert the way we spell it. We'll then take that to a G flat major, right, or an inversion of that. G flat, B flat, D flat. We've had that one already. And that's all the chords that we need for the song and the pre-chorus. Let's put these chords into some bigger sections now. We start the intro on a D flat sus2. So we're gonna do that D flat, E flat, A flat. And that's really just gonna be for a beat. And it's gonna go right to the D flat major. And then go to that G flat. Yes. Talk to me, talk to me. 2 times, right? That's our fun intro. In both hands, I'd put the root, the name of the chord, in my left hand, and I would go da 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 da, D flat, G flat. Talk to me, talk to me. Something like that. Into the verse and the choruses. We'll start with that D flat, but let's put an F in the root. And then come up to that G flat major and rock those back and forth. Da-da-da-da. It's like we're making up for back and forth. D flat, G flat, D flat over F, back to G flat. Ways we can then spread out that texture with the roots. Let's look at that nasty little pre-chorus. Start on that B flat major. Already know D flat, A flat over C to G flat. Let's do it a second time. It starts here, then walks down. And we're ready for the chorus. You did it. See, not so hard. Now at the chorus, just back to the 2 chords that we had on the verse, No special roots. We'll rock it back and forth between the D flat major and the G flat major. And we can kind of invert that spelling, same notes, but play around with the order of them to thin and thick out that texture. So on the chorus, a 1, 2, 3, we get 4 beats of each. Back and forth. Easy. Have fun with it. Sing it out. Those are all the sections, all the chords. Go back and try them a little bit slower than faster. Practice makes perfect. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this with another piano friend. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.